Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be exploring about a platform called Linktree. So let me tell you what exactly this platform is and why it is needed to be used. So this platform provides you a landing page where you can put the profile links like your different social handles profiles and manages as a centralized hub. So we as a IT professional, we have the multiple accounts on different platforms or profiles we can say. For example, we have the LinkedIn profile, Hashnet profile, GitHub profile, our resume, YouTube channel, portfolio websites, Twitter profiles, etc. and etc. So in order to manage everything or the URLs of each and everything, it becomes very chaotic for particular time period. So let's suppose one of our visitor wanted to visit our all the social handles, so it's not convenient to provide them a links one by one. So in that way, we just have to provide a single link tree URL, and by visiting that particular link, he will be or she will be able to find every possible links of our social handles at a one place. So that is the thing. So let me give you a one use case of this. So let's suppose this is our LinkedIn profile, and by default LinkedIn provides only one URL support as a reaching site. So what I did here is that I provided the Linktree side here, and by just clicking here, user or visitor will be able to see all the profiles, and as per their convenience they can pick what they wanted to have. So we have talked a lot about this platform, so why not let's get started with the setup part, and I will be showing everything from scratch. So for that purpose I have be using a fresh new account for this. So just log into the linktree dot double e. So and just sign in with your Google account. So I've already signed in, so that's the reason here I'm getting the admin and log out. So I'm getting into the admin portal, and let's get started with the things. So it's empty, nothing is there. So only I can see is my username. So I've set that during my sign up page. So what I need to do is that I have to provide the link to my social handles here. As we can see, the add link is here. So click here and provide the link. So for our convenience, I have copied some of my links here and just provided here. Add. Now it will ask for the title, like what exactly title you wanted to provide this link. So let's make it a LinkedIn profile, and even we are having a convenience to add the thumbnail to it. So set thumbnail. By default this provides some icons. As we can, if we just search here for LinkedIn, we'll be able to see the logo, but it doesn't looks good to me. So that's the reason I'm choosing the one I really wanted to have. So I will upload it from my PC, that because I have downloaded few of the images from the Google, and I will make use of this. So this is the LinkedIn I will be using here. So it's looks quite good because I prefer always the dark theme, and so to match or complement that theme, I will be making use of this particular thumbnail. So in the similar way, we can add the different links all together. Like suppose we wanted to make use of a GitHub. So let's copy the GitHub here, paste it here, add here. Now it will ask for the title we wanted to provide this. So let's make it as GitHub profile and add the thumbnail to it. In the similar way, we'll be uploading from our PC. I've already downloaded the thumbnail for, and it looks quite stunning, I would say. Look at the feel. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, it's looking great, right? So in the similar way, as much links you are having with you, you can provide. And let's get into the other part of the video. So in the other part, we can see appearance is there. So in the appearance section, we are having the customization flexibility, like whatever name we wanted to provide here, we can provide the title here. Let's provide the Prasad. So here I have provided the name. Even I can add the bio. So let's make it a cloud DevOps engineer. and provide the picture of mine. Let's go into this. So in that way we can provide the picture so that it's visible. Now it's looking quite good, right? So even we have the exploration section where we can explore about the themes. So we have the different themes available. Here we can go with the total black, whoever prefer that one. And even we have the multiple things. This looks very like good, but I don't think in the professional world it will look good or not. But it seems like the LinkedIn theme is being used because the blue background and everything is there. And in the similar way, you can even customize the few things here at the bottom. Even you have the choice to make from the font choice, the colors choice. Next is the analytics. So in an analytics data, we will be able to see like how many views in the sense how much person have seen our profile, how much they have clicked, and CTR means the in particular links, which link they have provided, or the as per that criteria they have some percentage here. And even in future we can have the monetary gain to here from, and the subscribers count. So this is the way. And now if you wanted to share the things like the link, just copy it here and use it in your profile. So this was it about the video. And even they have something called the paid version, and I really don't think so for now you should opt for it, but you can opt for the trial version for the 7 days if you wanted to explore many thing. And that's it for this video, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you next time.